Hi, I want to share with you today a move-in ready floor plan. This is the Zara, and we're going to go and take a look at it inside. This is the last of the Zara. People ask me, what does that mean? It only means that the builder will not be building any more of the Zara floor plan as a spec home. This is the last one. So this is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and 4-car garage. The foyer is 14-foot high ceiling, tray ceiling. The other rooms are 11-foot high. Let's step into the owner's closet. This closet has the wooden shelf, an island with the beautiful quartz stone. It's just absolutely gorgeous when you see it live. The spa shower for two, and the expanded owner's suite. Moving to the kitchen, you will notice the black and white theme going on, the sleek black cabinet that is carried through the pantry, the wooden shelves all around the house. Yeah, and here is your patio that opens up to the 9th hole. So this is where you will do your entertaining, hosting your friends, spending quiet evenings, watching the golfers slide by. This home is located on Shinnecock Lane. Shinnecock, for many, if you remember, it's from a famous golf course in Long Island, New York, the Shinnecock Hills Golf Course. So that's the little history. So come and check this house out. You will love it. It's truly a luxury home.